Hi guys, it's been a while since I made a video, but I was just talking to one of my students and she had some really interesting things to say. So I thought I would pass them on with her permission, of course. She was talking about how our community of English learners has helped her to improve. And I wrote down a few of the points that she made. So she said that the community has helped to keep her accountable. Not only are people on a different stage in the journey to her, and she's inspired by them, but they can sometimes remind her of how far she's come. And that really gives her the motivation to keep working at her English and also not give up. She also mentioned that she loves having a safe space to make mistakes. If you aren't able to make mistakes in a safe environment, then that will really impact your confidence when you're speaking English in a real situation. She also mentioned that it really satisfies her need to belong to a team or a supportive class of people. So whether that is in the community space on our website or in a group class, she really feels like she belongs. She can relax, have fun, have a laugh with people who are in a similar situation. That's not laughing at other people or laughing at their mistakes, for example. It's enjoying the process, having a nice informal conversation with someone about something. And this particular student, she loves to make jokes and have a good time with people. So that's also a really important part of our community, to enjoy ourselves. And also she mentioned that when she's trying to study on her own, she quite quickly gives up. But when she's studying with other people or when she's getting lessons from one of our teachers, it's the regular checking in that she needs to keep coming back. And that's quite often the case. I had that experience with going to the gym when I was trying to just go on my own and relying on my own willpower. I was finding excuses not to go. But when you've got a personal trainer, an English teacher, then you have that person there to keep you accountable, keeps you coming back, and also to make sure you're on the right track so that you're not learning the wrong things or learning things incorrectly. If you have any questions about our community, I'm always happy to chat with potential English learners or people if they are struggling with their English journey or maybe wondering, why aren't I making the progress that I thought I would make? So just give me a shout, send me a direct message or comment below, and we can have a chat and see if I can give you any hints and tips for improving your English learning strategy. All right, thanks guys, bye.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell. You can find loads of useful links in the description below. Let's get started.